Hey everyone, it's Ashley. Welcome back. I hope you all had a good Halloween. I did absolutely nothing because I'm a recluse and I didn't want to have to leave the house. But on the note of things scary and spooky, let's talk about my under eye bags and how we can cover them up. Today I'm going to be trying out the new concealer by Jouer. This is the Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer. So this guy retails for $22 and it comes in 1.39 fluid ounces, which is pretty standard for a concealer. I have the shade Lace, which I believe is the second to lightest shade. And this is said to have 25 shades, so that's a pretty decent amount. This is said to offer full coverage with hyaluronic acid, be creaseless, and have a soft matte finish while correcting and smoothing imperfections. So let's see if this really says what it's supposed to do. I'm also going to put some down here to cover my red spots. Then take a damp beauty blender. I'm going to blend it out. Wow, that already looks really, really nice. Okay, and then as always, taking my Mercier translucent loose setting powder, just gonna set this concealer. Alright, I gave that about a good solid minute. Don't want to leave it on too long because I have such dry skin. And let's see what I'm working with here. Wow, so right off the bat, I'm really liking it. The coverage is nice. I could have went in maybe with another dot to get a little more coverage, but where I put it, I look like airbrushed. I'm hoping that it doesn't dry out. The hyaluronic acid should help with that. So I'm gonna go about my day, let it wear and see how it does, and I will give you guys a check-in to let you know how this looks. Okay, so it has been about 5 hours and I am having like no creasing. The coverage still looks really good. The creasing is like not even there. So I can't believe it. I didn't think I would ever be able to say this, but I feel like this concealer is better than my Too Faced concealer. Everything still looks really good and really airbrushed, and I'm definitely a really big fan of this concealer. So I'm pretty sure this is my new everyday concealer. I'm excited to have multiple really good concealers, but this one is definitely like an A+ on top of all of the other concealers that I have tried. So if you're looking for a new high coverage concealer that looks really, really good and you have dry skin and you don't want creasing, this is definitely one to give it a try. I definitely think it is worth it. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now go have yourself an awesome day.